Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 9th, 2023. Man, let's talk about Amazon real quick. There's some things on the chart that I've noticed the last couple of days about the price action that kind of lets me know that this market may be getting tired of going up. So it may take a break. Okay, you guys can see real quick into the market for Amazon. I did a video right here. The last one was on the 2nd of February. Okay, so it's been, 7 days. And I was predicting that price in Amazon was going to continue to go higher, and it did one day. You guys can see that we were in profit in the market in Amazon the next day or the same day. So this idea of us looking for the market to continue to go up may have been crossed out. Okay, so we're going to look at the chart from a couple of different time frames to see if this is actually the case, and should we let this price prediction go and play the weakness and expect price to go lower. Because one thing that you can also tell is that the market in Amazon is breaking our trend line. Look at that. We're seeing price break the trend line. And it looked like it's going to break this support area around 100. That's very important for us to see that. So let's get this on the 2-day chart real quick into the market in Amazon. We have 8 hours and 48 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. So how do you think this looks visually? Does it look strong or does it look weak? When you look at all of these price bars, what about, that's the 2-day chart, excuse me. This is the 2-day chart. Here it is on the 3-day. 8 hours and 48 minutes left on this current 3-day price bar. 5-day. This is where I'm showing the concern at. The 5-day chart in Amazon. Right there. This is a bullseye. That gives us a massive indication as to what occurred the prior 5 days. When you see that, with a high volume, like you guys can tell how big that volume bar is. Look at that. People came through and sold some of their Amazon in the market. This is what this 5-day prior represents. So at least in the next 5 days, we can say that the greater chances of where price is going to go is down. Okay, now how low? That is the question that is going to be hard to answer, because if the buyers are still interested in buying Amazon, it won't fall far. It won't. So that's the point that we need to be on the lookout for. We need to be on the lookout to see if buyers are still there around 100, 95, 92. 88, because longer term, then that tells us that the market in Amazon is still going to trend higher. But when you see weakness like this 5-day price bar on a trend, right? This price in Amazon has been trending higher since the beginning of the month of January. When you see weakness on a trend line, especially when price should be bullish, and you see weakness pop up, then that kind of lends to the market being weak and that trend is about to be broken. That is what this last completed 5-day price bar represents. Okay, so price really needs to show itself around $196. We do not want to see the market in Amazon break those levels, because if it does, then it's going to be a bigger move, maybe $90 to $88 that price can run down towards. See, I'm just trying to be forward thinking. I'm trying to predict how the market's going to act over the next couple of trading days. And right now, it looked like the greater chance, the easiest way for price to move now is down. So let me go ahead and get rid of this price prediction here in Amazon. If you guys didn't grab it on that first day that I did a price prediction and you were to get out now, okay, 4.8% loss right there. Now we're anticipating this move in Amazon to occur in the next 5 days, right? Because that is where we're definitely seeing a weakness. All right, so let me show you for weakness. Okay, so market may actually go up today, Friday, even Monday and next week. But we got to give the market at least 5 trading days to see this come to fruition. Okay, unless we clearly can tell like today, let's say that we get a massive indication of price holding 100 and the trend line, and the market close up here around 110 today, then yeah, the market is massively bullish. So that's how you need to view the market. So like I said, going back to the 5-day, let me show you all these price levels. Okay, so my first one is going to be relatively close, and it's around 96. Okay, that's the first one. You guys can see that's around 3.77%. Price target around $96. Okay. Second one, it's going to be 92. 7.69% move to the downside, $92. And then third is going to be 88, which is 11.91% move to the downside, $88. Now, again, I'm really keeping my keen eye on if the buyers are going to appear around 198. I really want to see that, because if so, then the idea that Amazon is still going to go up is increasing. But if we don't see that, then we already know what to expect, because the chart, it doesn't lie. So let me bring this over a little bit closer. All right, so let's see how the price action works today, tomorrow in Amazon. If the price doesn't hold these levels where it is now, around 198, and it continues to drift lower, then we already know what's going on. Okay, so now go ahead and give me your thoughts though about Amazon. Do you think we're going to continue to see price trend higher, or do you think we're going to see a small reprieve or relief? Price comes down a little bit, trade sideways for a couple of weeks, and then breaks out. How do you think this price is going to go? Let me know. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.